Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
I love this whole, like...
What, you gonna follow me? Let's go.
Are you serious? What the? Go, baby, go, 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 go. What the? Look at her. Psycho. She did like a shotgun.
That was crazy.
Go, baby. God damn.
Yet or not, like that man probably had a similar experience when he was a kid, right? And it probably actually for him to do that for you. To think.
What the hell?
You're already out there. What's really good? Like's really a treatment. I'm a genius. Noise. Two big copper prods with electric cord going down the pipe that the shower head's on. That's how they get hot water. Yeah, we're so the rest of the world here. Yeah. I saw pictures of because I don't.
That is a bad metro driver.
Yes, they did. They just...
pulsing in my heart.
Okay, alert.
What the?
What the f are you doing? Jesus Christ, lady.
What are you doing, dude?
You
You're
don't
on the
go!
inside
You don't
lane,
go!
bro.
You don't go that
Roll down your window.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.